Hi, just to be here. One of the things that I get asked about in class quite frequently is what is the hotkey to cause a autofill to, of course, work and fill in down the column. Well, there really is not a hotkey. There's no hotkey at the moment that I'm aware of, and I haven't been able to find one. But one of the things that you can do is you can actually create a macro and add a hotkey to the macro, and then by doing that, you can, of course, press the hotkey. The hotkey here is Control-Shift-Q for me. That's the one I set up, and watch what happens. I'm going to press it, and there it goes. It does what it's supposed to do. Now here you'll notice that I have the autofill, and I just named it autofill. You can call it anything you want to. But I named it autofill, and there I have a couple of variables. I put in a note here, all green text is notes, that says my hotkey is Control-Shift-Q. And then here is the actual code that makes this work, and the code is basically structured on a couple of things happening. One, we'll switch back to Excel so I can show you this. One, this will only work if there's data on the left side. There must be data on the left side, and then the autofill, of course, follows that data all the way to the bottom. So be aware this macro will not work unless you have data out here on the left side. Also make sure that you save this macro in your personal workbook. And if you are unfamiliar with the personal workbook, watch one of my other videos on VBA. But you have to have it in there so that it's global, so it can be seen anywhere. Now, how do we add the hotkey? Well, the way you add the hotkey is you would go to the View tab in Excel, go to Macros, go to View Macros, and what you need to do in here is you need to find your autofill macro, go into Options, and here in Options, you would click in this little box, hold down the Shift key, and then press the letter Q. That is, if you want it to be exactly like mine. Then click OK, and then cancel out, and now you have the hotkey assigned to your macro. So you can look at this macro on the screen and copy it, or literally type it. But I'm also going to put a text file on my website next to this video, so you can look for that, and you can actually open it, copy it, and paste it into your personal workbook. Hope that helps. Have a great day.